Hello Anna, she's with us in session 4. In this session, we will cover model layering. Before importing the file into Lumion, you must make sure that the 3D model in the modeling software is exactly on the 0 point of coordinate system. Also, don't forget to set the software unit accurately. For example, if the modeling unit is in millimeters, the software unit should be the same. If the software unit is inconsistent with the design unit, the building will be either very small or very large in Lumion. After that, you need to layer the model. In any software, when you have modeled your building, you must give material to each separate surface, so that the Lumion recognizes that, then you can assign a new material. I usually use different colors for each layer. It's better to put surfaces that have the same material in one layer. For example, put all glass surfaces in one layer, so that in Lumion, when glass material is created, all those surfaces will become glass together. After completing these steps, our building is ready to be imported into Lumion.